Today I will show you how to create your Pinterest account. Pinterest is amazing app to learn many knowledge, education, any type of content. First step is download Pinterest from Play Store and click on search bar here, type Pinterest and download this app. Today I will show you how to create new account on Pinterest. After opening this very easy and simple step is to continue your Pinterest account with Gmail or Google Drive, and I select one Gmail to create my Google or Pinterest account. And after selecting this, select your date of birth by CNIC. I select this very easy and simple step. I tell you to create Instagram account instant, and I select date of birth. After selecting this, click on OK. Next, wait 2 seconds. Here you can see select your gender, click on gender, select your country. Next, here you can see many category, select your interested category. This is the answer. You select this category. All Pinterest social media working team to see your according to your interest, to watch video and picture, PDF, etc. Select many more. After selecting this, click on next button. Almost your Instagram account is ready, and here you can see select your previous category. All video picture are here. You can search any types of content and click on save icon. Here you can see my account is successfully create on Instagram. First step is create my profile. Click on change my profile. Select profile picture from gallery to create Instagram Pinterest account profile, and wait 2 seconds. Refresh this page. Finally, successfully Instagram account created. If you like this video, share a video with friend. In the next video, we learn many tips and tricks related to Pinterest account. Goodbye.